The ladies who embroidered a block will give you a brief autobiography and the history of the building which they embroidered. Embroidered the next block.
I embroidered the Bill Anderson Blacksmith Shop. This is a small building set on the northeast corner of the block where the Catholic Church is located, and south across the street from the house that Johnson built, better known later as the McIlvaine House. This was the first blacksmith shop in town, opened in 1909 and closed in 1934. We believe that this building might have been torn down when Warren Holland moved the morgue to that lot and built a home out of it. This home now belongs to Jim and Linda Schultz.